Hi, it's me. It's Baxi. You can't really see behind me all that well, but today is April 4th, opening day in baseball. It's been postponed. Why? Not because of rain, but because it's fucking snowing out. Snow. Can you believe this? Snow. Right now I'm driving on Parker Street in Springfield. Actually, East Longmeadow, heading into Springfield. The posted speed limit is 25. You know how fast I'm going? 20. It's bullshit, man. Bullshit. My kids are the only kids in Western Massachusetts that did not get a delay or snow day today. My kids were not happy. Very angry children. And when I've got angry children, you know what that means? It means I gotta hear about it. I gotta hear about all the complaints about how they had to endure an education. Oh my God, these poor children, the abuse that they're taking with an education. I mean, really? There's not even an inch of snow. Okay, maybe there's an inch and a half of snow. But in my perspective and my point of view, we might have been a little hasty with the school cancellations. My guess is, and I'm speculating this completely, my guess is someone in the superintendent's office of your local school system decided we barely have had any snow all season. We could all, as teachers and administrators, take the day off and no one would say boo because it's April and we're not going to delay the closing of school in June at all. So let's just take the day off and enjoy ourselves. That's my guess is that's what the schools did today. They thought, let's just take a time for us. Let's just do it for us. That's all we need. You know, when I was a youngster going to school in the Dighton-Rehoboth school system, I remember getting snow days off frequently. And my dad was the head of guidance in Warren, Rhode Island, and his school never called it off. Never. Ever. And yet, Dighton-Rehoboth would call off school all the time. And I remember waving to my dad saying, "Bye! I'll be here when you get back, Dad." And then he'd come home and he'd be in such a pissed off mood because he had to go to work when I didn't, and then I had to shovel the driveway, which was really my punishment. And then he would laugh at me going, "Look at you shoveling after 9 straight hours." We had a very long driveway. Very, very long. It really was abusive. Anyway, it's snowing out. It's spring. It's April. I should be walking around in shorts and a t-shirt. I should be, planting flowers in my garden, which I don't really do, but I could if I wanted to, but I can't now because there's snow on the ground.